Welcome back to my channel. Another awesome unboxing video by me. Alrighty, today we are doing the February Boxycharm. Let's get right into this. Alrighty, so to start off, we're gonna open this, of course. Hello, Charmer. If you don't already know, it is a $21 a month subscription box with 5 to 6, I believe, full-size products. So, this is the little thing that is on top. It has all the information of what is in it, along with the retail prices and a small description. And apparently this month, they normally have a theme, and this is called Afterglow, I guess is the theme for this month. The very first thing that I am seeing on top is the Touch and Soul No Pore Bloom Primer, smooth and pore covering. I have heard so many amazing great things about this primer. It does retail for $18 and it will give your skin a soft velvet feel. Green tea and collagen act as adhesives, holding on tight to your makeup for many hours of flawlessness. The good thing for you is I don't use primer. This will be in an upcoming giveaway. So there you go. Alright, the next thing that I see right on top again is Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. That's it. And this, it's weird. It's definitely not exfoliating. And it's like honey kind of consistency, like a honey or like a thick soap or something kind of. This says soothe and hydrate your skin while lifting dirt, excess oil, impurities, grime, and makeup, and this retails for $22. Let's see what it smells like. It says Clean Bee, so I guess that's why it's kind of honey-like. Ooh, it's kind of weird. It's like a lemony honey type smell to it. So there's that, and this may or may not be in the giveaway as well. And I'm not sure when my next giveaway is gonna be. I know that I'm gonna have another one at some point. I'm just gonna collect things and we'll see what happens. But the next thing in here, this is Tre Steak. Let's go with that. It says there is primer inside, so that's interesting. And look at that, it almost looks like I was like, oh, there's no lid. But yeah, it's just the, that's a really cool kind of case for it. So I'm assuming this is a lip crown. Does this open up at the bottom? Whoa, whoa. Okay. Look, it's like a little lip primer. How cool is that? It's like, oh, and I don't have anything on right now for the purpose of trying this. Because I didn't know what would be in the box, but I'm sure I was like, there's always at least one lip product. So, let's put the primer on. And then this just pulls right off, and this is the color. This is English Rose Prime and Color Lip Glaze. That's a pretty color. Let's see what that looks like. Alright, so this is what this looks like. I got this little like mark up there, like this little ball of it that I can't get off, so just ignore the mishap. But look what I discovered. How cool is this? Watch. It's a magnet. So that's like, and it's kind of a strong magnet. That's neat. Alright, so this Prime and Glaze Crayon Lip retails for $25. So I guess it's supposed to leave like a shiny kind of color, which it does. It's definitely not a matte finish. It's more of a shiny, regular kind of lip gloss kind of finish. More shiny, yeah, cool. But yeah, I guess, I don't know if the primer had the effect on it or not, but it just would not go on very well. I had to put several coats of it. It's real blotchy. I don't think that I would go out to the store and buy this personally. I'm not really impressed with how it went on. But the color is a bit brighter than what I normally go for as well, but it's pretty. It's definitely wearable, and it may be something that I go to more in the summertime. So we'll see how that goes. All right, this is, oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Oh my gosh, okay. The very short time that I did work at Sephora, this really truly is the #1 selling mascara. I could tell you every day that I worked, people were coming in there asking about it, and it was constantly sold out. So apparently it is huge. So many people love this mascara. I've never tried it. I wanted to, so I am so excited to be able to try this. However, I am not going to open it right now because I already have some other ones I'm trying to finish. I'm not ready to start the expiration date process on it just yet, but it's really awesome. And this is like a heavy metal kind of, it feels metal, it's real heavy kind of material. But this retails for $24. So this is, wow, I'm so excited about that. All right, the very last thing, this is a Pretty Vulgar. Look how pretty the packaging is. That's so pretty. This is a highlighter, Shimmering Swan 126 Glow Up Highlighter and Illuminator. So there's that. That is pretty. It's like a pinky, bronzy kind of color. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep this or put it in a giveaway or not, so I'm not gonna swatch it. But I will say that it retails for $32. Wow, wow, $32. Alrighty. Well, so just to recap, because I like the whole recap thing. We have the Pretty Vulgar highlighter. We have the Better Than Sex mascara. You have the Trestique English Rose lip glaze stuff. You have the Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Facial Cleaner, and then we have the Touch and Soul No Pore Bloom Primer. So these are, we got 5 things in this month's box. So this, I mean, this is a good box. Although I'm not going to be keeping everything, I'm still highly impressed as always. Boxycharm is my #1 ultimate favorite box. So I'm just super excited to have gotten it already. Still only halfway through the month, so that is a big plus for me. But if you do like the video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And if you are interested in getting your own Boxycharm, I do have a referral link below. We both get a gift, which would be super awesome. If you want to, the link is below. And if you're not already, make sure you subscribe for more awesome videos. I have more unboxies coming up. Unboxies, it's a new word. Coming up soon. They should be here any day now. I have a couple more boxes and just more fun stuff. Just subscribe, just do it and click the little bell. That's all you gotta do. Support your girl. All right, I'll see you on my next one. Okay, bye.